Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a very new video, something that I have not done. I must say it took a lot of courage to get to this decision of uploading something like this, and I hope I don't face a lot of backlash for this. I don't think I will because it's an honest effort and an honest attempt, and it's my first. What exactly am I talking about? I'm talking about my first art journal. So I have completed my first art journal. I am a very creative person. I'm just again, saying good things about myself. But I am a very creative person. I like doing these things. I am not very good at the drawing part of things, but I like working with stationery. I like working with paints. I like working with stickers and putting all of those together. So I just felt that this particular book that I had received as a gift would be apt for doing something like this. So I started off and almost finished the entire journal in a month's time. So I was really happy with the progress. Right now I'm on my second one, which is slightly different, and I think I might finish that soon, and I would definitely want to upload that one. So I thought if I have to upload my number 2 journal, then I definitely have to go for the first one that I have finished. One thing that I can say about this is that it's a very beginner's attempt kind of a thing. And I have just put together things now. I'll just scroll through this right now, and I'll of course be showing you all of these. So, I've just randomly put some stickers I've made. I will of course take you through each page. I'm just showing you what I've done. I've put some stickers, I've done some drawings, I've done some paintings, and it's a mix of all possible mediums. Most of it has been with my sticker collection. And where did I get these stickers from, or what is my collection like, or how I use magazine cutouts for creating interesting backdrops in this journal is something that I would like to show you. And I hope you all like it. I hope you all enjoy. It's an honest attempt. It's a journal wherein I have not put a lot of thought. I have just let the creativity flow. Whatever I felt looked good on the paper, I have done it. And I like all pages except for one. So I'm going to tell you the one that I did not like also. And you can let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite and which one you did not like. And that's it. So I will take you through this, and let me know if you'd like to see more of these. That would give me enough reason to want to work on them and put some more videos like this out for you. So like, share and subscribe, and let's get into it. So this is what the journal looks like, and this is the text and font on it. Now I googled to see what this actually means, and it says, "To my sweetheart who brings peace to my life with his presence." So I thought that is also very cute. Now this is like it's a wooden thing, very heavy cover, as you can see. And this was the first page that I did. There's a little glare, I think. Yeah, I think that's better. So I did the first page with some paint, and then I wrote some text on it. But unfortunately, the marker bled, so I could not stick to it. So then I stuck something very pretty, which I really thought was a good beginning for the first page, and it says something wonderful. Then was the next one. Again, here I used some paints and just created a background on the page, and then I stuck the sticker on it, something that was very interesting at that point of time. The next thing was this curtain cutout that I found in a magazine, and I really like the curtain cutout. I don't know if you can make out from this that this is the window, and these were the pots that I thought I'd draw. And for most people were not sure as to what this is exactly. It was supposed to be the background of a couch. This was my attempt at drawing a galaxy, and I am going to stress again on the fact that I am a beginner. I am not at all experienced in art. I just like doing this because it just gives me a lot of happiness. So I'm just sharing my very rookie work with you. So this was my version of a galaxy. I used some silver paint and some white flecks for it. I like how it looks. The next one was again a painting that I did with some trees and some house in the background. I don't know, it is like an early evening scene, followed by some flowers, which to me was supposed to be some cherry blossom flowers. However, some people that I showed this to think that they are more like periwinkles. So be it. Any which ways, these were just a few flowers that I drew. Then this is where I started with more, I can say, quotes that I used with some pictures. So this was the picture that I really found to be very pretty and very colorful and chirpy. Not something that I eat at all, but something that I really thought was cute. So I have written, only eating healthy doesn't make your mind beautiful. Don't be mean, think clean. So that was a quote that I wrote here. It was something that I made up. Again, this is from one of my favorite songs of the movie Twilight. I think it was in the first one. Let's get lost, just for tonight, darling, let's get lost. So this was again a very nice bookshelf kind of a thing that I found in a magazine. So I added this text there. Again, a quote that I created: don't wait for someone to give you a rose, grow your own garden. This of course doesn't look like a rose, but you can think whatever it looks like, but it is definitely some sort of flower. This was one of my favorite. As you can see, this particular piece of paper that I have used here, this is something that I created from an old diary, and I soaked it in some tea water, and I gave this brown effect to it. And I have written a quote here again: ruins form the perfect backdrop for beautiful dreams. So I used some cutouts again from a magazine, and then I cut up a few stickers of maple leaves that I had, and I used those as well. This was again supposed to be a beautiful pendant, and I just felt that the quote that could go with it would not fit into this space, so I just wrote royalty here. Again, a beautiful living room scene. A window of a new opportunity is always just around the corner. Tried to create a nice font here, but I messed up because of the tip of the pen that I was using here. This is one of my favorites. I just had a unicorn post-it note which I used as a backdrop for this thing that I painted in the background. Oh yeah, and before I forget, as you can see, this is the original color of the page. So that's why I did not want to use it for writing something, but instead to create an art journal. The next one is this one. Again, something that I really like. I used one of my Plum Goodness stickers with it, which says thick thighs save lives. And I tried to create an afro kind of hairstyle here. I personally like this. Some people thought that it gave them nightmares. But anyway, I thought this was really cool. And to me, it also looked like Annalise Keating from How to Get Away with Murder. This again is the same diary page that I told you I have created with some tea water. Again, 3 words only: dream, believe, succeed. This was again a few jewelry pieces that I thought were beautiful and needed to be added here. All the jewels in the world on one side and your love on one side. So that was the quote I wrote for this. Again, this was a paper that I got as a gift wrap, and I really liked it a lot. The only thing that I thought would go very well with this was this one word, bloom. This is, I would say, my fail for sure. There is literally nothing else that I can say for this one. I don't like this page at all. I wish I could tear it off. But I like my bloom page a lot, so I did not do that. I had different intentions for this, but it somehow seemed very messy. So let's ignore this one. We move on to the next one. Again, very simple, but I really like the black and brown combination that I have managed to pull off here. Just simple 4 words here: Sam, Dam, Dan, Bhed. Just drew this image with a t-shirt cutout and few earrings here. That's it. So it was again something very simple. This one again, just the face of a model that I had cut off, and then I just drew her into a cat, and again wrote a very cute quote, I feel: stop being a bitch, it's time to be catty. And I drew these little cats as the border for this page. I don't know if that's clearly visible, but I really like these cats. This was just again a mix of everything. Same with this one as well. I like this font a lot for this one. Again, got legs will move ahead was something that I cooked up. I thought it really works for this particular pose. And I don't know if you can make out who these legs belong to, but they belong to Katrina Kaif. Then again this one, a note to my younger self. It says, trust time, it heals all wounds. Trust the process, you will be fine. Next one is save trees, save our planet. It's the only world we know. This was just something that was like a plastic thing, but I really liked the cactus, to be honest. It was supposed to be a backdrop in a particular room. Again, not something that I am very fond of, but I think it's quite okay. This is known as again one of the weaker works, I feel, for sure, but I like the piece of jewel here, so that's the main reason why I use this stone. This is one of my favorites. I've completely drawn this one. It's a witch. I stuck the cat and I stuck the moon. Everything else I've drawn myself. So I really like this one a lot. Again, ignore and meditate. Let karma handle the rest. I really like this picture as well, again from the video Paradise. Lost in Thoughts of Paradise. And then I used a small butter paper here. What you look for outside resides well within you. Yeah, that's it. I like this one also, especially for the font, which says Tranquility. This was a panda that was looking much better when I did not have the eyes on it, but yeah. Escape into the wild here. Again, just a mixture of a few things here. I'm just going to go through these pages again. Nothing much to talk about, just showing you what I've done here. Just picked up random stickers from magazines and I put them here together, and managed to complete this entire thing within a almost within a less than a month, I would say. I think this is one way you can see the text, so I'm going to read you. Some roads bring you home, others show you the value of it. It's a really nice one that I liked again. Some more painted ones. This was again a nice road that I tried to paint, although it came more of a like a mountain, I don't know, but I think yeah, that was a good one. And this was something that I tried to paint from my Greece trip. That was my honeymoon trip, and I used one of the tickets of that time, and I tried to paint the blue and white scenes of Greece here, using the pictures of two people that I don't want to talk a lot about. So I'm going to go on ahead, very close to me of course, so I'm just going to go ahead and move to the next one here. Again, not very proud of this one. I had different intentions for this, didn't work out the way it should have. Again, I love this quote. In the end, the things you didn't do hurt the most. So live now. You gotta die later anyway. Really like that one. This is dedicated to the three parrots of my life, Toto, Yo-Yo and Zorro. Yeah, that's it. I think these do not require any kind of speaking up. This was the other end of the same curtain that I used here. Again, something that I drew here with some stuck on sequin stars, and then I drew this grass as well, which had a lot of texture. This was when I was really missing my school, so I ended up doing this. Again, two things that I've drawn. This looks like a tree from Paradise with the stones. I don't know if they are visible. Yeah, they are. And then three sea creatures. A few leaves. My attempt at drawing the Delhi mask, which I think was the Dali mask, which was something that I think is a decent enough first attempt for sure. Yeah, some quotes here as well. Yeah, that's it. We're coming to the close of this. Again, really like this one also. As you can see, I used this from the potato and onion that was delivered to me through Big Basket. I really cut that up and I used that. I really like this. And the last page I just used to stick up my wedding invite. I just thought that it'll go well here. And the last thing was the Athens city map that I stuck on the last page, again from my honeymoon in 2018. So yeah, that's about it. That's how my journal looks. It's become really thick and I really like the feel of it. And I am almost through with my second one, which is a little more of text, more creative and more bigger in size in terms of the book size. So it's not more pages, it's lesser pages, but the page is bigger. So let me know in the comments what you think. And of course, please keep in mind, this is just my rookie work I'm sharing with you because I like doing it. And don't appreciate the beauty behind it because there is not much, but appreciate the effort and the happiness that it gave me. That's it. So stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.